Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to change the language in Valorant Mobile. First, make sure Valorant Mobile is completely closed. Now go to your phone settings. Find the section called Language and Region. Tap it and choose your preferred language from the list. Confirm the change. Your phone may take a moment to apply the new language. Once your phone finishes switching to the new language, open Valorant Mobile again. The game should now display in the new language that you selected. If you open the game and it is still showing the old language, close the game again and restart your phone. Restarting the device helps the game detect the new language settings. After your phone restarts, open Valorant Mobile one more time and check if the language has changed. If the language still has not changed, uninstall the game from your phone. Once it is uninstalled, open the App Store and install Valorant Mobile again while your phone is already in the correct language. Open the game after installation. During the first launch, the game will automatically match your phone's language. These steps work because Valorant Mobile uses your phone system language. This is the complete process. Thanks for watching.